Should a patient do their own research when choosing a consultant?
If you're looking for somebody to carry out any kind of a procedure or give you advice, you need to make sure that they're properly qualified. And for surgeons, generally that's the Fellowship of the Royal College of Surgeons, but more relevant really to be on the specialist register at the GMC, which is online. You can look it up to see whether a surgeon is on the specialist register for the procedure that you're interested in. Is a sensible thing to check. Then whether they are a member of a national organisation, again in the plastic surgery sense, that's the British Association of Plastic, Reconstructive and Aesthetic Surgeons, bit of a mouthful, or the British Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons, which they're two separate organisations, but in a sense linked in as much as most people who are members of one or members of the other one too. And they represent the majority of the mainstream in plastic surgery, so that will tell you whether somebody is properly qualified to be a member of those associations. You may then want to look at what they've published. I don't mean in the daily whatever it might be, or this or that magazine, but in the scientific literature. That's really the best way to get an indication of somebody's peer group standing and their international standing. If you look at what they've presented internationally, the subjects they've presented on, what they've lectured on, and what they've published in the scientific journals and in the way of books and so on. And then, of course, when you get to meet a professional, a very important aspect is just, do I get on with this person? Do I trust them, first of all? It's a big thing to trust somebody to operate on any part of you, certainly your face. So you need to feel some empathy with that individual, that they have some empathy with you, that you can get on with them, and were there to be a problem, that they've been honest with you about what the problems might be, that they'll look after you and follow the thing through to the end.